Hey, what's going on, Overcomer Nation? It's your boy, John Erickson, and I got Joel with me.
Joel Bryant, and I am the Director of Construction with PGK. Hey, Tom. And we're here in Pasadena. We do multifamily projects. That's his car.
It's Joel's.
It will be. Tom is one of the development partners of PGK that leads apartments.
Awesome. I'm always talking about you guys in general. I reference you guys to the property managers, contract managers, construction managers, because I work with two sides of people, maintenance division and also construction division. He's from the construction division. He's been doing this for 25 years, and we just had a quick little interview inside the car right now. I called it Lamborghini Talks, and it was fun. So we just got, what was the lunch we just went to?
We went to Paul Martin's here in Pasadena.
Paul Martin's in Pasadena. It was great, good stuff, man, good stuff. And so my question for you that I want to make sure that everybody understands is the David versus Goliath, okay? And sometimes you're going to have small contractors, because let's be real, I'm not the biggest contractor when it comes to construction cleanup. You could potentially work with a much bigger company that has a bigger brand and has maybe been used on many other projects. But at the end of the day, why do you think me and you are able to work together, Joel?
We both want to be successful.
Okay.
We are able to, it's real simple. In business, as a consumer, business to business services, I am buying products, I'm buying services. Mm-hmm. You have a service, you provide a good service, and it fills the need that I have. That's at the core.
Absolutely.
And so, beyond that, though, we have commonalities. We both are people that, strive to be successful, want to treat people right, want to have a good life.
Sure.
And the relationship is everything. We tend to do repeat business with people that we like. And in our journey of life, in our journey of business, we'll often encounter people that for some reason you just don't get along with. I think that happens to the best of us. But when you find somebody that makes doing business enjoyable, and it can be enjoyable. Business doesn't have to be stressful. Life is already stressful enough. When you can find somebody to do business with and you enjoy giving them your business and receiving their business, there's nothing better than that.
Absolutely, Joel. I think I couldn't have said it any better, because that's what I've been trying to tell you guys, and now you've heard it from somebody that is on the other side of the purchasing side. You're not just hearing it from me as the guy that's going out there trying to get the contracts, but you're hearing it from the other end, that it doesn't so much matter if you've been in business for 20 years or anything like that. As long as you can provide a service, you can provide the service that you're capable of, you can make the experience pleasurable. Like he said just now, he just said he wants to have a pleasurable experience, right? For instance, you go to a movie theater, you watch an incredible movie, they got the fold-up sofas and they bring your food to you. That's a memorable experience, and then it's a movie that's memorable, right? It's the same thing for us humans. I mean, we just want to do business with people that we like, and never does not help. But like Joel said before, that it doesn't matter, like sometimes he's got to do business with people he doesn't like because, they're going to have a better price, or they have a better service, or they have something that is going to dominate you. But it never doesn't help to build a relationship, is kind of what you said earlier, right?
Absolutely. Relationships are everything.
Yep.
People want to do business with people they like, preferably to those who they don't like. And it's be yourself, don't be phony. Being likable doesn't mean being phony, just means getting in touch with yourself. And I'm working on that every day. I don't profess to be a perfectionist at it. I just try to be myself.
Yep, I like that. Don't be fake, because you are who you are, and they will either relate with you or they won't. And so if you are who you are, that's kind of what happened with me and you, right, Joel?
Absolutely.
I mean, we just, from the very beginning, we just kind of hit it off.
That's right.
Yep. It's just that realness, guys. And he took care of me, and I said this in the last interview that Joel is probably one of the awesome, most project managers, directors out there. And he took me to lunch the first time that we did business together, and I had the opportunity to kind of return the favor today. And I try to give him that memorable experience, right? I mean, like, I'm not being fake about it. Like, I think he deserves it. And so I want to reward him and make him feel good. And so I even brought the Lamborghini out today, right?
That's right.
Was that a cool experience?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
Absolutely.
it's that memorable experience, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. And not all of you guys are going to have a Lamborghini and stuff, so I don't even care. Like, don't do that, right? What's something simple somebody can do for a guy like you to make sure that you can remember them?
You know, simply remembering their name is most important. I've received emails from people before, and my name is misspelled, but simply remembering somebody.
You mentioned his birthday before.
Birthday, remembering someone's birthday. Even we're in the holiday season now, providing somebody, it could be a $5 gift card from Starbucks.
Sure.
You know, a box of candy. If somebody drinks alcohol, it could be a bottle of wine. It's the simple things that show appreciation and show that you're paying attention. Because it's, you know, you got to be in the moment, and you got to be, you know, you want to have your brain planted where your feet are.
Yep,
You know?
yep. And I'm not going to take much more of this guy's time. He's been out with me all day long, so we're going to peace out right now. You heard it, though. You heard it from them. So you guys have a good time. You guys remember this interview. Remember you heard it from Joel. You heard it from John. Keep going. Keep it up. Keep going. Let's do this.